Alright, untuk revision yang ni kita sambung part 2 sukatan membulat. Okay, Rajah menunjukkan sektor POQ. Alright, then also POQ is the small one, MON yang terterap dalam sebuah bulatan with the center O. Okay, jejari bulatan and jejari sektor POQ masing-masing X and Y. Okay, so here kita identify dulu jejari yang X adalah yang ni for the bulatan. Jejari for the POQ is this one, Y. Okay. Diberi bahawa perimeter for the sector minor MON adalah 33.97 and the luas kawasan berlori. The luas looks a bit different, the shape. Okay, adalah 15.03. Okay, first question. Oh, by the way, soalan suruh kita guna pi 3.142. Okay, soalan A. Nyatakan sudut for MON dalam radian. Okay, let's see ya. So, teacher boleh nampak dekat sini. Outside here is 280. So, macam mana nak dapatkan dekat dalam? This is N, isn't it? So, you just take 360 tolak 280. So, kita dapat 80. Tapi, we want the answer in radian. So, darab pi per 180. Okay, 80 times 3.142. Okay, we get 1.396 radian. Okay, we managed to get the answer already. So, 1 markah. Okay, B. Seterusnya, okay, seterusnya means you must use the answer from A, just now. Okay, cari nilai X, cari nilai Y. Okay, for cari nilai X, kita guna, because you see, the question got give perimeter, the question got give luas. So that means salah satu daripada information you use for X, salah satu daripada information you use for Y. Okay, so teacher buat yang ni dulu yang apa? Perimeter, sebab perimeter lah yang kita boleh guna X, betul tak? And then inside here the sudut is 1.396. Okay, so if I want to know the perimeter, kena tambahkan semua ni. So sini X tambah X, here also X. What is the panjang lengkup? We have to find first. Panjang lengkup. So you use S equals to J theta. Jejari adalah X. Theta, make sure it's in radian. So you get 1.396x. Okay, so dekat sini dah dapat 1.396x. So kita tambah everything. So when you tambah everything, okay, you're supposed to get the answer 33.97. Okay, dah dapat. Okay, now we cari the X. Okay, if 1 tambah 1, dia 2. 2 tambah 1, 3.396. Okay, bring the X to the other side. 396. So, kita dapat 10.002 something, right? Okay, tapi jawapan nak kepada integer terdekat. Integer means here lah, after the point. So, dapat 10 sahaja. X. Okay, X done. Next one, kita nak cari Y. So, that means kalau dah guna information perimeter, untuk cari Y, you have to use the luas. Okay, luas kawasan berlori is a bit tricky here. You tengok teacher just lukis balik so that we can see. Ni M-O-N, correct? Lepas tu dekat sini ada P-N-Q. Ini pun sektor juga. But here to here is a straight line, kan? Ni straight line. So this part sahajalah. This part sahaja should be 15.03. Okay, now. So far apa yang kita ada, kita tulis dulu Okay. Yang ni P2O ini adalah Y, kan? Sini Y, sini Y. Okay, radius untuk yang ni OM kita dah tahu kan? Sebab tadi dah cari dah. Sini X, X adalah 10. So this is actually 10 the whole thing. Okay, dalam sini pun kita tahu 1.396. Okay, so how to help us to find the luas? Okay, see teacher akan cari kawasan yang ni dulu. This part. Okay. Lepas tu cari kawasan yang ni, luas yang ni. Alright. Lepas tu ambil yang MON ni luas MON. Okay. Luas MON. We tolak with tembiring. Okay. Tembiring. This is segment. The segment MN. And must tolak with the sector POQ. Luas sector. Okay, so luas sektor MON, tolak tembiring, tolak the green. That means this both the green. Take note, teacher taking the whole thing. I minus both the green color area. So bila dah tolak, I will automatically get the one shaded one tu. So jawapan dia semua kena dapat berapa? Kawasan berlorit 15.03. So dekat sini, teacher tulis 15.03. So this is the answer yang kita kena dapat lah. Okay, this is the answer we should get. Okay, so now let's find one by one first. Okay, luas sektor MON. So kita guna 1/2 J square theta. So jejari kat sini 10. Here is 1.396, isn't it? Let me just double check. 1.3, yeah, okay. So 1/2 jejari 10. 1.396. So here I get 0.396. Okay, 69.8. Okay, settle Okay, now teacher nak cari luas for the segment. Tembiring. Tembiring, you use this formula. J square theta minus 1/2 J square sin theta. Okay, masukkan 1/2. Ini tembiring MN means use the whole thing. Use the big sector MON. Okay, J dia 10. Theta dia 1.396. Tolak dengan jejari 10. Okay, theta dia you have to use sebab ini sin kan. So jangan guna 1.39. You have to use the 80. Okay, so let's see here. Ini tadi dah dapat dah 69.8. Tolak square 580. So teacher get 49.24. 04 lah. Teacher ambil panjang sikit. Nanti kita bundarkan. 2404. Okay, final answer here 20.56. Okay, 20.56 tembiring. The next one, luas for sector of POQ. So 1/2 J square theta. So here the jejari is what? Y, isn't it? Okay, so we put Y square. Theta still sama, 1.396. So 1/2 times 1.396. Okay, I'm getting 0.698 Y kuasa 2. Okay, now it's time for us to tolak everything. Okay, 69.8 tolak 20.56 tolak 0.698. I'll get 15.03. Okay, the numbers teacher minus first. 6. Okay. This one teacher bawa ke belakang. Lepas dah tolak tu, teacher bawa nombor dia ke belakang. So, it becomes 15.03 tolak 49.24. 1503 tolak 4924. Okay, we get negative 34.21. Lepas tu yang 0.68 tu bawa ke sebelah. Okay, so it's bahagi. Okay, so I'm getting 49.01. Y tu pindah, kuasa 2 pindah. So it's punca kuasa. And here we cannot take, dia sepatutnya positif negatif kan? Tapi mana boleh jejari dia negatif. So that is why you don't have to put the negative lah. Jejari cannot . Okay, square root jawapan. Okay, Y dapatlah 7. Oh, Y1 was a little bit extra kan? Okay, little bit extra work lah. Okay, tapi X was easier. Y, we just have to make sure pandai tengok cara nak cari luas tu. Okay. Alright, next one. Okay, let's go to Selangor set 1. Okay, diagram 12 shows the short part. Oh, ni short part ke? SHOT. Okay. Short part ring that consists of the circle BW, WY, BX. Alright. And sector UW, TVS. Okay, both dia punya center adalah T. Semasa kejohanan olahraga, atlet perlu melontar peluru ke kawasan berlorek untuk mendapatkan mata to get points. Okay, diberi WT is 1.1 meters and the panjang lengkuk here is 21 meters. Panjang lengkuk VWX here is 27 times lebih pendek. Kalau lebih pendek means what? How do we define that? 27 times 27 times. So kita boleh bagi tak? 21 bagi 27. So teacher tulis kat sini panjang lengkuk ni 7/9 Ataupun you want to write point form boleh juga 0.777778 tapi teacher tulis pecahan. Okay. Then cari nilai theta. Oh, okay, theta we can use the S sama dengan J theta sebab jari ada, S pun ada, panjang lengkuk. Alright, we can use these. So 7/9 sama dengan jari theta. So pindah ke sana, 7/9 pindah bahagi 1.1. So I'm getting 0.7071 radian. Ni memang dah dalam bentuk radian. So you don't have to change. Okay, B. Perimeter for the shaded. Okay, perimeter usually teacher suggest korang check dulu yang mana tambah mana Okay. Lengkuk US plus lengkuk VXW plus panjang UW and VS. All these you plus, then only you get, correct or not? Okay, so now let's see which one we can find first. US dah ada, lengkuk yang ni pun dah ada, cuma kena cari UW. Okay, so kalau nampak dekat sini, okay, you can see here, this is already, kita dah tahu dah, 1.1. So just nak cari balance ni. Balance. And since we know the panjang here, the lengkuk, so we can use S sama dengan J theta. So S is 21. Jejari, okay, tak apa. Jejari tak tahu lagi. So you just put J only Theta tadi dah tahu dah. 0.7071. Okay, from here let's find. 21 bahagi that this one. 0.7071. So teacher dapat 29.70 cm. Maksudnya the whole thing the whole thing. Tapi kalau kita nak UW ni, you take this answer, tolak 1.1 tu. Okay, I'm getting, wait 2970, 1.1, I'm getting 28.6. 28.6 cm. So UW pun 28.6, BS pun 28.6, betul tak? Okay, so sekarang kita cari perimeter of the shaded. Okay, US was 21, lengkuk just now was 7/9. Okay, then 28.6, 28.6. Okay, teacher is getting 78.98. Sebenarnya dapat 9777, so we bundarkan. Therefore, we get the perimeter. Okay, next one. C. Cari the luas for kawasan berlorek. Okay, kawasan berlorek means, okay, see we identify dulu. Okay, ni the whole thing kan. Ni yang, what is that? The big sector, PUS. Ni tak nampak macam sector ni. Okay. PUS. Okay. Lepas tu, teacher kena tolak with this entire sector. Betul tak? Kena tolak dengan yang ni. Sebab, you can see here, sebenarnya this shaded, this part kita tak payah kan? This sector we don't need. Correct or not? Okay, so we don't need that one. Alright, so therefore, okay. So ambil sektor TUS sana luas. Tolak with luas for sector, the small one. TWV. Okay, so now let's see. Luas is 1/2 J square theta. Ini pun tolak 1/2 J square theta. Okay, dekat sini jejari dia just now was the whole thing kan? What was the whole thing just now? 29.7. 29.7 square. Theta is still the same theta. 0.7071. Then tolak 1/2. Jejari yang kecil ni 1.1. Then the theta is still the same. 7071. Okay. 2970 square, 0.7071. Okay, this one I'm getting 311.863. Ni dapat okay, 0.4278. Okay, so 311.863. 0.4278. Okay, teacher dapat 311.44 cm kuasa 2. So we managed to settle the luas. This one, if you can see, this was 2, 5, 8 markah. 8 marks question. Okay, can understand? Let me know in the comment. Boleh faham teacher, alright? So I know that so far the way I'm explaining to, actually it works for y'all. Okay, next one. Okay, diberi here the rajah is showing 2 sector. PQR, SQT, and masing-masing berpusat di P dan S. Okay, jejari for PQR and SQT. Okay, PQR. PQR, that means jejari dia 13.21. Kan? SQT, jejari yang ni this part, this jejari is 8. Okay. Diberi S ialah titik tengah for PRT, garis lurus, and QPR, okay, at least radian dia ada kat sini, 0.6. Okay, cari panjang lengkuk QT. QT, where's QT? Oh, this part. Oh, alright. So if I need to find here, kalau nak cari sini, kalau boleh kita perlukan dekat sini. Kan? Okay, now kalau sini 8, okay, they say S is the midpoint. So maksudnya sini pun 8 lah kan? Isn't it? Shouldn't that also be 8? Okay, so now let's see teacher want to find the sudut first for S. Okay, what can I do to cari the sudut for S? Let's see. Kalau saya boleh cari sini, it will automatically help me to find here. Okay, let's see what can I use. This is 13.21. Okay, here is 8. Okay, wait, 13.21. 1. Okay, here, this part, okay, I'm going to use this triangle to help me first. Okay, sini ada P, sini ada Q, sini ada S. Okay, yang 0.6 ni, teacher tukar dulu to sudut Okay, sudut means 0.6 times 180 over pi. So here the pi tak mention kan? So I just write as pi. 180 over pi. So here 34.38. 34.38. Okay. Dekat sini 13.21. P to S kat sini 8. Okay. So sekarang teacher nak cari sini sudut dia. Okay. Looks like I think we can use. Okay. Kejap. Ni pun 8 kan? Sini pun 8. Correct or not? Okay. So I'm going to use sign rule dekat sini. Okay. Kita tengok guna sign rule Petua sign. Okay. Yang nak cari QSR. Bagi dengan 13.21. Okay. Equals to, teacher compare dengan yang ni Sin 34.38 divided by 8. Okay. Ni darab silang. Okay. Sin 34.38. Okay. Over 8 darab 13.21. Okay. Dapatlah 0.932426. Ambil je panjang-panjang dulu. It's okay. Then later we can, bundarkan ready. Then songsangkan. So here I'm getting 68.82. Maksudnya kalau sini dah dapat 68.82. Okay. So now what you can do, cari the QSR. Ni bukan QSR Sorry, this was QSP. Sorry change this. QSP. Okay, now you can find QSR. Which we take 180, tolak this answer. So dapat here 111.18. Okay, tapi dekat sini, if you can see dekat sini, this one is not obtuse angle tau. Okay, ini adalah obtuse angle. Angle obtuse means that means you are between 180, between 90 to 180. Kan? Sini maksudnya this one should be 68.82. This one should be 111.18. Yeah. Okay, should be like that. So, maksudnya kita terbalikkan lah. Okay. So, QSR, since it is acute angle, kita ambil 68.82. Tapi sekarang, kita tukar dia. Okay, tukar to radian lah. Because we want to cari the panjang, isn't it? Okay, times pi over 180. Okay, I'm getting 1.201 radian. Okay, so dah dapat dah radian. Okay, I want you to faham this Ni bagi tahu teacher kalau faham. Kenapa macam tu? Sebab tengok balik sudut dekat sini. This part. Okay, yang ni. Dia nampak macam lebih besar daripada 90 ke lebih kecil? Kalau lebih kecil, ini adalah sudut tirus. Dekat sini, sudut dia macam membuka. Correct or not? Opening. So, dia lebih besar. Lebih besar means this is sudut cakar. So, don't worry. Here you can use the solution of triangle. Penyelesaian segitiga. So, dekat sini automatic dah kita boleh tulis 111.18. Okay? Sebelah sini, you take the smaller one, which is 68.82. Just tukar sahaja. That one is following the concept from solution of triangle. Okay. Is there any other way? Nampak macam teacher showed solution of triangle. Okay. So, sekarang kita nak cari panjang QT. Okay. So, now we focus on the sector. Sini 8. 8. Here is 1.201. So, S sama dengan J theta. So, jejari is 8. 1.201. I'm getting 9.608 cm. Oh, 2 markah. Very last month. Okay, never mind. Okay, B. Cari the luas for the shaded. Okay. Which part am I going to use here to help me to find the shaded? Okay, let's see Kalau boleh, if we can find this apa ni? We can. Kita ambil yang ni dulu. Q, T, S. Okay, we take the luas of the whole thing. Tolak that small part pun dah okay dah. Q, R, S. Okay, if it's possible to do like this, let's try and see. Okay, first ni teacher rasa teacher padam. Sudah, let me erase this one. Okay, so here teacher cari dulu. Okay, this whole thing luas of this. Okay, sekejap. So far information kita ada kan? Okay, let me do this side lah. I do the other side. Okay, I'm going to take untuk cari QST ni senang je. 1/2 J square theta. Tapi nak cari yang bahagian dalam ni, the QSR. Okay, that one only, you have to do something like extra work a little bit here. QSR kan? Okay, nak cari luas dia, what we do? Okay, we do like this. We take PQR. Okay, PQR, luas, sector. Okay, follow follow Tolak with that triangle. Kan, nampak kan triangle tu? Okay, sekejap. Just draw nicely. Okay, here is P, here is S, here is Q. So when you tolak this, automatically you will get this part, betul tak? Excuse me. Alright, so you get this part alright, so this one kita buat jalan kerja macam ni Tolak the segi, tolak the segitiga here. Okay, now let's find the luas for sector PQR first. Okay, PQR 1/2 J square theta. So what is the jejari? The jejari is 13.21. Kan? Jejari is 13.21 square. Theta dia 0.6. Okay, so 1/2 times 13.21 square. That's 0.6. Okay, teacher dapat 52.35. Okay, sekarang cari luas of the segitiga. Okay, dekat sini teacher rasa kita boleh guna 1/2 AB sin C. Sebab kat sini kan ada 0.8 which is 34.38. Ni teacher ambil dari sini. This length 13.21, sini pun tahu 8. So 1/2 A B sin 34.38. Okay, 1/2 times 30.21 times 8. Okay, here I'm getting 29.84 cm. Okay, so kita tolak. Okay, we minus 52.35 minus. Okay, bila minus 2.35, I am getting 22.51. So ini adalah luas yang sini, yang warna hijau ni. Alright, okay. So now we find the yellow color. Luas. Okay, this one you can write as luas QSR. Okay, now we find luas sector QST. The yellow color. Okay, yellow color. Okay, 1/2 J square theta. So jejari ST is 8. Theta 68.82. Tapi 68 tu teacher tukar jap 1.2. Oh, dah ada dah tadi. 1.201. Okay. Alright, 1.201. So here we get 38.432. Okay, so barulah kita cari luas for kawasan berlorek. Okay, take a moment first here to understand, kalau boleh, like you how do we say this? Like you stop first, okay, to make sure you really can see. 34.432 tolak 22.51. Okay, kita dapat 15.9. 15.9 cm kuasa 2. Alright. Okay, so try back. Okay, tengok balik. Okay, look at this deck and then continue with the next part. Alright.